There it goes. Alright guys, so as you probably heard, there's been tornadoes that have like ravaged Ohio over the past few days. So we're actually getting ready to take this thing up and help do cleanup of some of the big heavy debris that they can't move with smaller equipment. Now I know snowcat, there's no snow. In an instance like this, we really don't care what it was built for, we care what we can do. So we're going to go out there and try to help out as much as we can. Fueling this thing, and we're going to head up there and we'll keep you kind of updated along the way and show you some of the carnage and stuff, because it was a really bad storm, and it really affected a lot of people's lives. So we're going to go up and try to help out as much as we can today. So stick with us. We weren't really sure if it was going to make it through this bridge, but thankfully it did fit. Alright guys, so we're actually headed, we actually just went and talked to the chief of Washington Township out here. And what he told us to do is we're going to head over to his jurisdiction where there's a lot of damage, and we're going to see what we can help do as far as moving debris and stuff like that. There's a couple other places that are hit pretty hard, and he gave us those locations as well. So we're going to go over here, see what we can come up with, and then we'll probably go around and hit other random areas as much as we can. We're up here for the whole day, so we'll see what we can do. But let's go. The first place that we stopped at, or the first area should I say, they're basically doing a lot of power line recovery, so we couldn't really get in there to help. And a lot of the houses were really close together, so we didn't have room to maneuver that thing around. So technically this is just kind of like the outskirts or the secondary damage zone. We're actually getting ready to drive over to the primary disaster area and see what we can figure out. So stay with us and we'll keep you updated as we go along. The amount of destruction was remarkable. I feel so sorry for everyone that lost homes and property and loved ones in this horrific storm. The damage out here is just unbelievable. Look at that. That is a billboard that is just bent over like a twig. Everywhere you looked, there was buildings, homes, just completely leveled. For only being an F2, the tornado really did a lot of damage, and it hit right in the heart of this community.
On in August, and when he put it on, he said, we were asking about like storm damage or whatever, he said if the roof goes, the whole house is going, and he didn't freaking lie. Like, it literally kept the house together, but just
Okay, so what we're gonna work on here is we're gonna take this pontoon boat. Yeah, it's a Bennington, which is really sad, but this pontoon boat actually belongs to these people over here. So what we're gonna do is try to get this flipped over and drug over here for them. And then we're gonna attempt to try to move this RV that is tipped over and slide it back over to its spot so that they'll be able to set theirs back up once this boat's off of it. So we're gonna try that out now and just see what happens. So here we go. So we got this flipped over here. It did not fare well. Now we're gonna see if we can drag an RV out of the way. We don't know if it'll work or not, but we're gonna try. Pulled that camper away from this one, and now we're going to try to upright this one for these guys. They asked us if we could try, so let's see what this thing can do. There it goes. Okay guys, so as you can see, there's still a lot of homes and campers and stuff that are messed up here, but due to the fact that we got bounced around between where we were supposed to go pretty much all afternoon once we got here, it really put a damper on things and as far as how much we could get done today. But as you know, with a wide load, you can't really take you're not supposed to drive at night with a wide load, especially in Ohio or anywhere really. So we're gonna try to get as much done as we can now, but chances are we might have to call it quits so we can get this thing back before dark. But we're gonna try to come up another day this week and help out if we can. So as you can see, the wreckage is just awful. That was the home that we first moved that was slammed into this one here. Just right back there, you see another one that's uprooted. I mean, right there, I mean, the storms here were just something incredible.
Well, guys, we made it back, and it was a very long day. Sadly, we didn't get as much done that we could have gotten done had things been a little more coordinated up there. Like I mentioned earlier, we did get bounced around a lot, but we did get to help out a few people there at the end of the day, and hopefully their situation up there gets a little easier. We are going to try to possibly go up again later this week and see if we can help out a little bit more. But from all of us here at Racing and Randomness, as always, thank you for watching our videos and kind of going on these journeys with us. We're going to be starting on one of our new projects here real soon, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. Share this video. That helps more than you guys know. But once again, thank you guys for always being there, and the next video is coming real soon. All right, see you guys.